Hey, how you doing? Have you heard about the new one main financial Brightway credit card? This is a credit card that is being tailored specifically for individuals that are looking to rebuild or establish their credit. So in case you have a bad credit or possibly you do not have a very good credit history and you're looking for a way to rebuild your credit, then this is possibly a credit card that you can apply for, and your chances of you using these to have a good credit which can qualify you for a better credit cards in the future is possible. So here is the one main financial, and as you can see, it says a credit card that grows with you. You can see others only look at your history. We also focus on your future. That is why we are happy to introduce a card that grows alongside you and pays on time and upgrade to the Brightway card with no annual fee. So this is a very good card that a lot of people have talked about the good aspect of it, about the ability for them to be able to build their credit with this card. Now, what I'm going to be doing in today's video is that I'm going to go ahead, talk to you about some key points regarding this credit card. And that is not all. I'm also going to be talking about the merits and demerits about this credit card so that you can be able to factor both advantage or disadvantage of this credit card, and it can help you to make the best decision out there. So are you ready for this? Then let's go ahead and dive deep to this video tutorial. Now right here, I'm going to start with some key points. I'm going to talk about 6 key points that I see regarding this credit card, and some of the things that you need to know. Now the first one is that it is mainly focused on credit building. Okay, so this card is aimed at anyone who has lower credit score, or maybe you have limited credit history and you're working on improving your credit profile. Then this is a card that you can go for, and it can help you to achieve that. All right, another point you need to know is that it has automatic cashback redemption. I've seen a lot of users that have reported that the cashback rewards are automatically applied as statement credits on their following statement. So it makes this convenience for card holders to easily get cashbacks and earn some rewards. Okay, also this card has no annual fee. Just like you can see, it has no annual fee, but depending on the specific offer, but the card comes with no annual fee, so which can be advantageous for anyone that is possibly looking to minimize costs. Okay, so in case you're looking to minimize costs compared to several other cards out there that they are also used for building credits, but you have to pay some annual fees, and those fees are kind of sometimes high. Okay, so but with this you stand more chances of not even paying annual fee. Okay, and also it is issued by one main financial, as you know. So the card is issued by one main financial, and it's a financial service company that they specialize in lending to individuals with less than perfect credit. Okay, so another point here is the mixed I've got some mixed customer experience, okay, from this card, because why some users had a positive experience with the card, such as credit limit increases and assistance with credit rebuilding. I've seen a lot of others that have reported issues with customer service and unexpected fees. Okay, so that is a little bit of a drawback there, but I'm going to talk more about the demerit later on. So another points that I am able to get also from this card is the limited reporting. So it's worth noting that some a lot of people have mentioned that one main financial may not report card activity to all credit bureaus such as Equifax, and this can affect how the card impacts credit score. Okay, so that is another key point that you need to know. All right, so and it's very important that all these card issuers report your activity, but they do not really do that. So compared to other credit card issuers like First Digital or Applied Bank Visa credit card, which I also talked about, and I'm going to be linking in the video description, or you can check the top right corner of the screen. So which I talked about, but these guys here, they do not really have that. Now reaching a credit limit of $15,000, I see a lot of people talking about ability to reach a credit limit of $15,000. Well, it is possible, okay, but while it is not also possible to receive a credit limit increase of up to $15,000, it is also crucial that you understand that the approval for such limit depends on various factors such as your credit history, your income, your debt to income ratio, and your profile. Okay, for the one main financial Brightway credit card, which is targeted towards individuals with low credit score, receiving a credit limit increase may up to $15,000. It may not really be popular like that, but it is also possible, okay, if you are building a good credit with them. Now let me talk about some merits and demerits about this credit card so that you can factor these into your decision making. Now, the first merit that I have here, I'm going to start with the merit, is the credit building opportunity. So in case you have lower score, as you know, this is a good one for you to, build your credits. But whenever you're making your timely payments and whenever you're managing the card responsibly, it can help improve your credit score over time, and it can also open up opportunities for better financial products in the future. Okay, another one is the, I talked about the automatic cashback redemption. So this cashback redemption features, it simplifies the rewards process for card holders. Instead of having to manually redeem cashback rewards, all right, but they are automatically applied as statement credits, okay, which it provides also free way to enjoy the benefits of the card rewards program. Okay, and the fact that it has no annual fee option is a good one, because some version of the card comes with no annual fee, although not all the card comes with no annual fee. There are only some versions of it, okay, but it's advantageous for card holders, okay, who are looking to minimize costs. And by avoiding an annual fee, you can enjoy the benefit of the card without having to worry about an additional recurring expense. Okay, also accessible approval, because compared to traditional credit card issued by major banks, okay, this one main financial Brightway card it has more lenient approval criteria, okay, because this accessibility makes it easier for individuals with less than perfect credit to qualify for the card, and you can begin your journey towards improving your credit worthiness. Okay, and another one that I have here is assistance with credit rebuilding, because many users have reported that the card has helped them to improve their credit score over time. So by using the card responsibly and making on-time payments, then you as a card holder can demonstrate credit worthiness to lenders, and it can lead to potential credit limit increase and access to better financial products in the future. You also get access to opportunity of credit limit increase up to $15,000, but however, it's not really that, as people are saying it, it's not really too common, but at least you can also achieve it if you are doing very well and paying up your debts. But responsible card users can lead to credit limit increase, and it can also provide card holders with more financial flexibility, because as a card holder, whenever you demonstrate responsible credit management, whenever like you making on-time payments and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, then you stand more chances of becoming eligible for credit increase, okay, and handle unexpected expenses. Now let's talk about the demerits. Those are the merits that I have for you, the 6 merits that I have for you regarding the credit card. Now let's talk about the demerits of the credit card so that you can factor both. Okay, so talking about the demerit, the first one that I have here is subprime lenders, okay, because the one main financial Brightway card is issued by a subprime lender, which typically caters to individuals with lower credit score or less established credit history, and as a result the card may come with higher interest rates. Okay, there's chances of you incurring higher interest rates and fees compared to mainstream credit cards, so potentially increasing the cost of borrowing for you as a card holder. Okay, so that is the interest rate and fees are stand more chances of getting more higher with this. And also there's limited credit reporting, just like I said earlier. Going on my research, I've seen some users reported that the card may not actually report activity to credit bureaus such as Equifax, because it could limit its impact on credit score. So this limited credit reporting, it's stand more chance of resulting in less significant improvement to your credit score compared to cards that report to all major credit bureaus, because although some people are saying they do not, why some people are just suggesting. So, and I don't like credit cards whereby people are suggesting, or people are guessing, rather people are guessing. It means maybe possibly they've seen some people complaining also regarding that. But however, if you want to build your credit score, it's not bad, because they also have good up to 15,000 credit limit. Also the customer service issue, because there have been reports, okay, of poor customer service experience with the one main financial Brightway card. I went to some forums and I researched, and I've seen some people complaining about the difficulty of this guy resolving their issues and also delays in response time. So you as a card holder, in case you encounter a problem with your account, you might likely find it challenging to get timely assistance from the customer service representatives. Okay, and another one is the potential for high fees. Just like I think I talked about this earlier, but depending on the specific offer, the card may come with high fees such as late payment fees or over limit fees, and these fees can add up to quickly and significantly increase the cost of using the card. Okay, especially if you're a card holder who you are already struggling with financial challenges. Also, some people complain about limited rewards and benefits, but I think this card has some benefits. But compared to other credit card on the market, the benefits offered by the one main financial Brightway may still be limited. Okay, so you as a cardholder may not have specific perks like travel reward, purchase protection, or extended guarantees. Okay, so it can make the card less appealing, but just know that this is for building credit. Okay, it's not a card whereby you enjoy travel benefits or purchase protections and all that. So that is what I have for you in today's video regarding the new one main financial Brightway credit card. Okay, so in case you have any experience with this, guys, also you can let us know in the comment box. I'm starting it to help a lot of people out there to make the best decision. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. I wish you the best of luck, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Enjoy. Bye.